Traders, what's up? So, we kind of have a serious conversation today. It recently came to my attention that 55% of Bitcoin investors started investing last year, that is 2021. Even though there is a big opportunity to make money in the crypto space, but the reality is there are a lot of bad information out there. You see, people get blown away by wild crypto stories, like someone turning $17 to $5.9 million just investing in Shiba Inu overnight.
Wow, that is crazy.
Thereafter, you see tons of crypto investors blindly buying that particular cryptocurrency and losing money. With that said, these are the top 5 ways you can build wealth with cryptocurrency.
And here we go.
But before we start, do me a quick favor by clicking the like button and the subscribe button. I'm waiting. Go ahead, traders, click the like button. Alright, now the subscription button. There we go. You know, this helps my channel a lot, so I get to know the kind of videos you enjoy, so I produce them a lot. Alright, thank you guys for subscribing. First, when it comes to crypto, it is risk versus reward, and you should never blindly invest. If you are intrigued by stories of people making millions overnight, in few cases it happens, but in most cases you are likely to lose money. And you are likely to miss out on your dreams of buying the latest Mercedes-Benz. Recent research shows that equal amount of money was invested in the top 200 coins, and it turned out that only 5% of these coins made over 10,000% in profits. You see, this shows that if you are blindly throwing your money into crypto projects, you have just 2.5% chance of picking the right one. And if even you are lucky to choose the right cryptocurrency, the one that made losses can go as low as -100%. That means it's going to eat into that profit and you still lose money. There are already 1,000 cryptocurrencies out there, and every single day new cryptos are coming out, so it makes it so difficult to scout for the coins that has huge potentials. So traders, you need to do your research and know the coin you're about to invest in. Don't just place your investments based on speculations. I have my crypto watch list down in the description. You can follow me, and every month you see the coins I am looking at and investing. With time, you'll be able to do your own analysis and invest in the coins you prefer. There is a term called hodl in the crypto market, and that's the same thing as hold. That is a practice of buying a cryptocurrency and holding it for a long time. But this shouldn't be your excuse of buying and holding a losing cryptocurrency longer than you should. Sometimes you just have to admit that your analysis was wrong and you just have to sell the cryptocurrency before it evaporates to zero. Sometimes your expectation is that you are holding it long enough for it to recover, but a bad project is a bad project. It doesn't recover at all. With the nature of cryptocurrencies, it is volatile, just like trading forex or trading crypto. But if you buy a good crypto coin, in a short term, it might dip or lose its value, but in the long term, you're going to make a lot of money on it. Long term is relative. It can be a month or even up to 5 years and over. The third on my list sounds quite simple, but difficult to implement. Only invest money you are willing to lose. Even though crypto is extremely profitable, you shouldn't invest amounts you can't afford to lose. You should invest in a way that if your portfolio drops, it is going to suck, but you're completely fine because you can wait till the market turns back into profits. With my experience dealing with a lot of people in the crypto markets, if the market falls by 10% or there's a minor dip in the market and you can't sleep or you're panicking, that means you've clearly invested money you shouldn't have. The next thing I'm going to talk about is take your security seriously. This is my field, but I'm not going to go into details today. But what you should know is that someone can take over your account and transfer all your money or crypto into their own account. There are some few key things you need to make sure you are doing right. Set up a 2-factor authentication on your wallets or on the exchange you are using. If you don't have a crypto wallet or a crypto exchange you are using currently, just click the link in my description I have mine over there. You can just create an account and start trading cryptocurrencies. And by any means, if you are finding it difficult to create an account, I'm going to put a link into my description of a video I did explaining how to create an account and verify it. You also need to put a strong password on your crypto wallet. Do not use a password you use on your social media accounts, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, because those ones are sometimes easy to hack. And if someone has that password, the person is able to log into your crypto wallet and steal your money. There is one popular cybersecurity attack that is mostly used in the cryptocurrency space. It is called the phishing attack. Please do not click any link in your email that is from your exchange or from your crypto wallet. Do not do that. The email could be from the attacker or the hacker. If you click on this email, it is just going to open, or the interface will look like your crypto exchange or your crypto wallet account. If you log in with your credentials, because the website is for the attacker, he's going to have your login information. You can log in into your crypto wallet or exchange at any point in time and steal your money. For people who want to invest huge amounts of money in the crypto markets, I recommend you use the cold wallet. The cold wallet is just like a pen drive. You can buy a Tracer or a Ledger. So you can store the cryptocurrency on this device, and every point in time, if you need it, you can just put it inside a laptop and access your cryptocurrency. In this case, your cryptocurrencies are more safe, and you need to make sure that you store it or you hide it at a secured place. On this channel, we are going to explore, we are going to make money together, we are going to scout for new crypto projects that's going to make us a lot of money to gain financial freedom. Traders, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.